part 3 of our Mermaid Dreamcatcher how-to. In this video, we'll show you how to add things like shells and sea glass to your Mermaid Dreamcatcher. If you haven't seen the other video yet as to how to do the weaving and the ribbons, do check in the iCards and down below, and you can check that out first. But now we're going to take a look at how to add these details. So we've made our dream catcher as per the other video. Now we want to add some sea glass. We've got a whole bunch of sea glass and some shells here, and I want to add them to my Mermaid dream catcher because obviously it's an under the sea theme. So what I'm going to use is this craft wire like this. You can probably use some threads. I'm not sure, I haven't tried that, but with craft wire it's basically really easy. You find a piece of sea glass that you want to use. Make sure this is a bit longer here. And you just wrap around some craft wire in a few different directions. Now I'm keeping this long because we're going to use it in a minute. I think that's probably enough. And then I'll cut my craft wire. I take it around the back. Let me give it another loop. Take it around the back and give it a little twist. So now I've got a little holder that looks quite pretty for my sea glass, and I'm just going to take it and twist it. So if we look at the back, I'm just going to give it a little twist. And there you have it connected. I'm just going to fold this up. You can trim it if you want, but I'm just going to keep it in place. Turn it around and you have a little sea glass holder. So this means that when you hang up your Dreamcatcher on your window, hopefully it will catch the sun and the light. So let's do a couple more. Look at that, isn't that cute? Let's see if this works for shells. I'm not really sure actually. It would be nice to have a shell though, wouldn't it? One here maybe? Let's try. It's going to be a bit trickier because the shape of the shell is different, but let's try anyway. Sometimes you just have to experiment, right? Okay, so I might start off with a twist. It's really coming off. Let's see. A twist. Okay, and a twist. So if that's going that way. There we go. Give it another. Is that going to hold? Oh, I think it might. And because the shell's quite heavy, I think I'm going to put it a little bit further down, so it's not in the sort of small bits up here. Might even, you know, you could actually connect it to the side of your dream catcher. That looks nice, doesn't it? And let's see if we can do that again with a small shell. There we go. Now the very last thing, we need something to hang it with. I think I'm just going to stick with my original wool. I think it just blends in nicely. So I'm just going to cut some of it off and bring it together. Ooh. And there you have it. Your mermaid inspired dream catcher is finished. Isn't that lovely? Anyway, do watch to the end of the video and you can see this hanging up and in its full glory. But in the meantime, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, but above all, keep watching, keep making, because you know what? I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.